Hello, princess, my old friend. I've come to write to you again, because these vines slowly creeping, who left these seeds while I was sleeping. The vision Sakura planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of chaos. And in the stream I walked alone, see the past I didn't know. I see a sister still ending counts. I couldn't tell what she was called about, when my eyes were scarred by the flash of that evil light that ruled the night, that touched the sounds of chaos. And in the moonlight I saw you standing sternly me before. Chaos speaking without speaking, Luna's hearing without listening. Then the fly did spray, you're both dying in the air. You left me there to see the sounds of chaos. For she said you do not know, hatred like a cancer grows. Hear my words, 'cause I love you. Come to my arms that I might reach you. But your words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of chaos. And through it all I bowed and prayed, looking at the mess she made. Hell of mist flushed out its warning, and you looked like you were in mourning. And the night that the world was spared, though your heart had been broken too. And then I knew you saved the world from chaos.